Have you ever seen healthy-looking plants suddenly stop growing while tiny hidden pests quietly take over the soil? Sometimes the first warning is almost invisible, but with the right natural blend, you can help your plants recover and create a healthier growing environment. Take 1 liter of water, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper contains natural compounds that help discourage ants and many crawling pests while supporting cleaner soil around the roots. Stir well so its natural properties spread evenly through the water. Now add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. White pepper also helps make the soil less inviting for unwanted insects and supports healthier root surroundings. Stir again until everything is well mixed. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese, along with natural phytoncides that help reduce harmful microbes around the root zone. Stir thoroughly so every ingredient blends into one powerful natural tonic. Strain the mixture, then dilute it with 3 more liters of water. Pour the solution around the base of your plants until the soil is evenly moist. You can also lightly spray it on the leaves to help keep the plant surface cleaner and less attractive to pests. Use this tonic once every 15 days for healthier growth, stronger roots, and better natural pest protection. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!